Hello guys, hello sir. I am Anwengo Emmanuel and I'm here to discuss about our formative assessment 6. So the task 1 of our formative assessment 6 is our task 1 is calculate her maximum cargo loaded quantity using hydrostatic table. So once again, our task 1 is the maximum cargo loadable quantity using hydrostatic table. And our FO is 2,000 metric tons and our DO is 250 metric tons and our FW or DW is 300 metric tons and our constant dead weight is 200 metric tons and our non-cargo weight is 2,750 metric tons. So our summary draft is 9.217 meter. So 9.17 meter is not on the hydrostatic table, so we have to get the number closest to it. So the number closest to it in the hydrostatic table is 9.210 meter and 9.220 meter. So we have to find the displacement, and to get the displacement we have to get the difference between 9.210 and 9.220, and this is their different this is their different 0.010 meter. And after that we have to get this 9.210 and 9.217, and the answer is 0.03 meter. Another is here we have to subtract the 33,378 metric tons and 33,418.88 metric tons, and the answer is this, the 440.17 metric tons. Next step is 33,378.71 subtract the x minus x here, where we have to find the displacement. So the answer is 33,378.71, and now we have to cross multiply it. So let's start from here. The x minus 33,378.71 times 0.10, and so the answer is 0.10, and this is the product of 33,378.71 and 0.010. So this is the answer, 333.90761. And next is we have to cross multiply the 0.003 and the 40.17, and now we have the 0.12051. So we had to transpose it, so cancel out the here and put it here. This negative will become positive, and after that we have the 0.010 x equals we have to divide these two, so it is cancel out. and then and next we will cancel out na number here. So 0.010, I mean 333.90761 divided by 0.010. So we will calculate here 333.90761 divided by 0.010. So the answer is 33,390.761. So the x here will 33,390.761 will become our metric ton. Our metric ton. And next we have to get the cargo. So to get the cargo, we have to subtract the displacement. We have to subtract the displacement to the light ship. And minus the dead weight minus the non-cargo equals to our cargo. First is our non-cargo is 2,750. To find the non-cargo, we have to sum the consumption of the ship equals to 2,750 metric tons. And our displacement is 33,390.761 metric tons. Subtracted to light ship, and our light ship is 6,000. So 33,390 390.761 minus 6,000 equals 33,390.761 minus 6,000 is 27,390.761. So our deadweight now is 27,390.761 metric tons. And next we have to subtract the deadweight to the non-cargo to have the cargo weight. So deadweight subtracted to non-cargo, so our deadweight is 27,390.761 metric tons subtracted or minus 2,750. So here 27,390.761 minus 2,750 is 24,640.761. So our cargo weight now is 24,640.761 metric tons. So next is our task 2, and our task 2 is to calculate her cargo quantity if she will depart her load port with her tropical draft using deadweight scale. So once again, our task 2 is to the cargo quantity of ship departing on her load port with tropical draft using deadweight scale. So our tropical draft is 9.40 meters. So we're gonna solve for cargo weight. So once again, to find the cargo weight, we have to subtract the displacement to light ship and after that, the answer of the displacement minus light ship is our dead weight. And next is also we have to subtract our dead weight to non-cargo to have this cargo weight. So first, our displacement subtracted to light ship. So 24,600 metric tons minus 6,000. So here, 24,600 minus 6,000. So 18,600. So our dead weight is 18,600 metric tons. So dead weight minus non-cargo weight. So our non-cargo weight is 2,750. So that is our dead weight. So minus 2,750. So our cargo weight now is 15,850. So this is our cargo weight. And the last task is calculate the cargo quantity difference in metric tons between her tropical draft and summer draft using hydrostatic table. So once again, our task 3 is to the cargo quantity difference in aft between her tropical draft and summer draft using hydrostatic table. So these are our summer draft that we have calculated earlier. So our summer draft, the summer draft is given, and this cargo weight is what we have calculated earlier. So our summer draft is 9.217 metric meters, and our tropical draft was already given. So our tropical draft is a 9.40 meter, and its cargo weight is 25,393.31 metric tons. So again, we must first solve the displacement to light ship. So our displacement is 34,143.31 metric tons subtracted to light ship, which is 6,000 metric tons. So 34,143.31 minus 6,000 is 28,143.31. So that is our dead weight. And next, we have to subtract our dead weight to the non-cargo. So our non-cargo weight is 2,750 metric tons. So equals answer minus 2,750. So now our cargo weight is 25,393.31. That is our cargo weight. And that's all, sir. Thank you.